As a college student, unexpected expenses can pop up at any time, and it is essential that you're prepared for it. In this video, we'll learn 5 tips why you need to build an emergency fund and how to do it. An emergency fund is a savings account that you can set aside for unexpected expenses such as medical bills, car repair, or job loss. Having an emergency fund can prevent you from falling into debt. It can also alleviate you from stress and financial hardships, and it can give you a good peace of mind. The first reason why you need an emergency fund is to prepare for a job loss. As a college student, you may work part-time or have a gig job that is not stable. If you lose your job or your hours are cut, your emergency fund can help you pay your bills until you find another part-time job. The second reason why you need an emergency fund is to prepare for unexpected medical expenses. If you get sick or injured and don't have insurance, you may face high medical bills. An emergency fund can help you cover these costs and avoid going into debt. The third reason why you need an emergency fund is to prepare for car repairs. If your car breaks down, you may have to pay for expensive repairs or a rental car while your car is being fixed. An emergency fund can help you cover these costs and avoid taking out a loan or using credit cards. The fourth reason you need an emergency fund is for home repairs. If you need to renovate your apartment, or you have unexpected repairs such as a leaky roof, or you need to replace a broken appliance, it can be costly, and an emergency fund can help you not fall into debt. The fifth reason why you need an emergency fund is for travel expenses. If you need to travel unexpectedly for a family emergency or a job interview, you may have to pay for flights, hotels, and rental cars. An emergency fund can help you cover these costs and avoid using credit cards or taking out a loan. So, how do you build an emergency fund? You can start by setting a savings goal, which can be roughly 3 to 6 months of your living expenses. And then you can allocate a certain amount from your weekly or bi-weekly pay, which goes to a savings account. And this can help you build your emergency fund over time. You can look for ways to save money, such as cutting back on expenses, and consider earning extra income through side hustles or part-time jobs. For me personally, it took me around 8 months to build my emergency fund. This could be a short or a long time depending how you look at it, but after a point when I started building my emergency fund, I also started investing in small amounts on the side. So this may have slowed down my process of building the emergency fund, but nevertheless, I had at least 3 months of expenses saved up when I started investing elsewhere. By building an emergency fund, you can be financially prepared for the unexpected and have the peace of mind that you have a safety net which helps you in tough times. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more personal finance tips for students. See you in the next video.